afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my second unboxing. Okay, tadam! All the way from Herbalife. Yay! Another reward. Okay, so atong i-open na. Okay, so andam na tagunting kay lingaw kay mag-unboxing. I really love it. Okay, excited ko nga ma-share sa inyo sa madawat today. Okay, please comment below kung nakadawat sa job message. So yesterday nakadawat ko message nga na ako noy item nga ako ang pwede madawat through LBC. And this is it. Tadam! So, unsa man eh. Aha! Wow! So, from Herbalife Nutrition, this is a smartphone. Huh? Okay, unsa man eh. Oh! Wireless microphone system. So, thank you, Herbalife. So, salamat for another reward. So, it was a promotion. Siyempre, pag may promotion, kay nindot yun nga i-achieve. So, inana ka generous ang Herbalife. Nga, siyempre, padala sa balay. Door-to-door delivery. So, atong ablihon ha. Excited kayo kung mag-abli. Oh! Okay, ka-nice yan case. And, sagipingan, wireless microphone system. So, mas kusog na akong tingog, mag-live ko. Okay, excited ako sa mo't mag-live. Okay. So, daghan instructions, of course. Ato i-open na, mauna ang sulod sa box. So, this is the box. Ato sulod. Okay, saan may pag-ablian ni? Eng. Open. Wow! So, nasa murag antenna. And, kanya. So, muna butang battery. And then, muna, ato sa aming stabihan. Okay, para mag-live ko, maskin maghungong ko, madungog na ninyo. Okay? So, very nice. Thank you very much, Herbalife, for another reward. So, congratulations sa mga nag-qualify. So, this month, October, grabe, mas grabe, ginagdagan kayo mga promotions. Okay? If you're a brand new member, daghan kayo qualifications na pwede mo ma-enjoy. Like our, sa tingan, personal blender. Okay? Nakapag free bag if you join. And your first order, we also have the 90-day promotion, na-apoy map, member activation program, free kag Nutri-Bullet if you want. And good news sa mga existing members na wala pa naka-qualify, this is the right time na pwede ka mag-qualify. You can also have your own Nutri-Bullet. Kay, kung siya, 3 months gihapon siya, and then, dili na siya first time na ilang i-promote sa mga existing members. Okay? Supposedly para naman sa new members, but right now, existing members. So, pwede na. And sa mga MC operators, this month is the nice, pinaka-amazing month. Start po sa MC operators promotion. So, manaatay, sa tingan, sa mga pahilom, sa blender, kay noise, sa reduction, case sa blender, so kana libre po siya. And then for the supervisors, of course, kung nakay tabangan nga mag-enjoy o qualify for the katunay bag, get moving promotion. O, kung nakay mag-qualify ito, nasad katong bag and water bottle and the Herbalife branded mat, yoga mat. Okay? So, very nice. Thank you very much, Herbalife. You're so generous. So, salamat kayo for this wireless microphone system. Okay? So, thanks. Till next time. So, this is our second unboxing. So, I'd like to share to you kung sa kalingaw mag-open ng mga rewards. Kaya yan, makakwalify ka next time. Okay? Sige. So, thanks everybody. By the way, ako din i-share. Among Taiwan is, syempre, dili pwede makalarga sa Taiwan right now. So, napay quarantine. And we'll be receiving cash. Okay? In lieu of the travel, namin cash. And also, kanang Taiwan na mga souvenir items. Okay, napay trophy, napay, so pato, basta. So, exciting yun, basta mo qualify ka sa mga events, sa mga promotions sa Herbalife. So, thanks. See you again next time. Bye. Enjoy. Have a healthier and happier life with Herbalife Nutrition. Thanks, everybody. Bye. Congrats sa mga nag-qualify po.